Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix unidentified network no internet access in Windows 11, 10 updated. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Internet Connections. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar. Click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Change DNS address to 888888844. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /register DNS. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.